Ukraine is under siege. The sky is falling and Russia's army is closing in with more than 5,000 drones.
Russia is boasting of a troop battalion of 160,000. Cities are shaking under nightly strikes with the front lines crumbling. Ukraine is facing its most intense assault since the war began. And the message from Moscow is clear. The worst is yet to come. More in this next report. Take a look.
Ukraine is not merely at war. It is enduring an escalating inferno, bombarded by an unprecedented torrent of Russian aerial weapons and staring down the barrel of colossal ground offensives. The numbers alone tell a chilling story of escalating brutality. Russia, determined to crush Ukrainian resistance, unleashed a staggering 5,337 kamikaze drones throughout June alone. This is a new monthly record that highlights a shift towards overwhelming saturation attacks. On a single terrifying Sunday, Russia barraged Ukraine with a total of 537 aerial weapons, including 477 drones and 60 missiles, in what Ukrainian officials described as the largest air attack since the full-scale invasion began. The sheer volume is designed to exhaust Ukraine's air defense systems, forcing them to expend precious high-cost interceptors on cheap disposable drones. A Ukrainian F-16 pilot was killed while attempting to repel this massive airstrike. His aircraft downed in the inferno. But the skies are not the only battlefield. On the ground, the threat is equally, if not more, terrifying. Ukraine's army chief Oleksandr Syrskyi has issued a stark warning. Russia has amassed a colossal force of 111,000 troops near Pokrovsk, a critical strategic point in eastern Ukraine. This immense concentration signals an imminent, large-scale offensive designed to punch through Ukrainian lines and seize vital territory. Adding to the chilling picture, another 50,000 Russian troops are positioned near Sumy in the north, creating a dual threat that stretches Ukraine's already strained defenders to breaking point. These aren't merely defensive postures. They are formations for a grinding, brutal advance poised to engulf more Ukrainian towns and villages in a firestorm of steel and blood. The convergence of these two massive threats, an unending aerial bombardment designed to deplete defenses and terrorize civilians, coupled with massive ground forces poised for deep penetration, presents Ukraine with its most existential crisis yet. Facing the immense odds, Ukraine unleashed one of its deepest strikes inside Russian territory. The drone hit an industrial plant in Izhevsk, about 1,000 kilometers east of Moscow. The attack sparked a fire at the plant, which manufactures drones for the Russian military. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.